Hello guys, good day and welcome to another monthly catch up, season 2 section 26. So I am at the HQ today, working on some new projects because I think I'll be attending a trade fair by end of this month. Okay, no, that will be end of next month, but I don't know how it's going to be. That will be end of next month. So I wasn't calculating whether I see this month because I might end up doing just one video. That's why I say end of this month. So guys, how are you guys doing? I will be making some what is it called? Laptop bag this month and some other projects, and there's this particular new design I just sketched this year, but I just have the time to start working on them and I just make one. I'm looking at it now, I'm loving it, but it's kind of too big. Some people might like it, but I will be also be redesigning or be scaling down the measurement to make a smaller one. This one I will be making this type, but I'll be making the smaller one as well. So that's it. For those of you who have not subscribed, use this time to subscribe to the channel. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell so that you'll be among the first people to get notified when we upload a new video. Leave in the comment section down below what you think, or any question you have. For those of you who are interested in learning, the online bag making training is still pretty much available. We have a seller course now where you can follow the link in the description and apply for any package that you want, and you can still chat me on my WhatsApp. It will be in the link of the WhatsApp is in the description. You can click there and chat me. You can also follow our Instagram page, as you can see here. Follow School of Bag Making, the Like Bag Collection, and Okin Luxury, so you get any updates that will be coming on the YouTube channel. Enough talking to you now. Let me turn the camera and show you a little bit. As I said earlier, I say I have a lot of work. As you guys can see, these are patterns and these are interface for work I'm supposed to do. But I've been very lazy for the past, I don't know, I've been very lazy, but I was able to start working. It's not as if maybe I don't want to work, but sometimes I'll be lazy. But once I start, once I ignite, there's no stopping again, except if I don't have resources down to work or maybe material. And we always do, and we still have under here. So that is not an excuse. So let me turn this and show you most of these projects. And okay, at the other workshop too, I make some stuff, but we send it out. I will be trying my best. If I'm here, show you what we are working on here. If I'm there, show you what we're working on here, so that you guys will learn and see how the progress is going. Thank you for being here. Share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. Give us a giant thumbs up. Write what you like in the comment section down below if you have any question. And follow us. Subscribe to the channel. Follow our Instagram. If you are interested in the online training, you can either click the link to go to the store and purchase it straight, or if you want to talk to me, my WhatsApp will be in the link, will be in the description, so from there you can chat with me. Enough. See you at the other side. So guys, this is the bag we'll be making this month. I actually have tons of design. This is another one. These are new designs. New concepts. Well, I just sketch it out. So once I start working on it, I will twist it and change some things and improve some things. But this is how I started initially. This is another one too. This really pattern work. This is another one too. This is just like a drawstring bag, but like it's form of a cycle, not the one you are used to on the channel here. And this is another one. This is the one I just make already. As you guys can see, there's more details here compared to other one, because this is the way once we start making it tends to improve on the detailing, because some things you decided from the beginning might not work out, or it might be too big or too small, so you increase it. So from there I put instruction here so that next time if any of us or any two want to work on it, it will be much easier to do this comparing to taking the measurement of the one we have made, which is the prototype. So that is the particular bag there, as you guys can see, and I'm loving it. These are the back feet, this is the top. This is not a handle, it's just a design, and I think this bag, the way I design it, it will be coming with 3 straps or maybe 2. It will come with a standard normal long strap, then it will come with a much more, sorry for that, it will come with a much more wider strap again, which is also long. Then it will come with a shorter one which you can carry as a purse. But looking at this now, the way I design it, this is long. I won't say too long because people might like it and some people might say it's too long, but you can carry this way. Looking at this now, but initially this is not what I designed it for. It's just the closure. The smaller handle is what you can carry this way, or you carry it this way. So I've not started making the hand, I just decided to make this and see how the concept will look before we proceed to the rest of the making. So you see, I have a lot of work I need to work on. These are laptop sleeve and drawstring bag. I think I have almost 9 here. This one, these are just like of 15 or more than 15 bag we need to make. Here are some too. You know, we always have work down for our own projects, except if I don't want to work. So right now I'll be working on this particular one. Oh no, not this. The first one I show you, this one. I will see how it went and I will keep you guys updated. I bet it that I will even take this measurement today, because right now I just decided to start it. I will be leaving so soon, but whichever way it goes, you guys will learn. Not the hard way, the easy way. You gotta learn the easy way. See you guys at the continuation. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch-up. This is what I've done so far after a few days, but today I wish to continue with the project. Everywhere is littered. So this is the laptop bag I showed you a few days ago, and this is it here. Everything is well organized. It's just for me to finish the assembly now. It's the assembly stage we are right now. So once we are done within the month, I will show you, so you learn a little bit from this. I hope this is interesting to you. So this is it. See you at the next part. Guys, just as I promised, I'm done with this bag and I've come to show you guys. You see, very beautiful. It's just in form of laptop sleeve, but this is not sleeve, this is actually bag. You know, that's it. So when we continue with the rest of the project, we'll let you guys know, keep you updated. We have tons of work to do. So guys, thank you for watching. See you at the continuation. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of monthly catch-up. So this morning we started work already. You can see I just marked all of this now. I want to show you before I start cutting. This is actually a full sheet and I'll be making, I think, just 6 bags out of it. It will not be complete to make all the interface, but the front and back is what I'm cutting right now. I think we'll be getting the handle here, then few of the gussets before we get the button. Well, hopefully I should be able to get minimum at least. I know I've done this in the past. I normally try to get 6 here, but it's not always complete. I will try to use another sheet again, maybe half of it or quarter, to complete what I want to do. So that's what I'm doing so far. I just say I should update you guys before I continue. Once I finish cutting, I'll come back to show you guys instead of showing the time lapse. Okay, stay tuned for the rest of the catch up. So guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. Here are some interface I've cut for past 3 weeks or a month or more than that. So I will be cutting the fabrics today. So the one I was showing you a few days ago, I finished cutting them. Here they are inside. This particular big one I just cut, and this is the other part I just cut. You know, I said I'm going to cut more, which is this particular one. There are many inside this our sassy bag. So the rest interface is. I just keep this one here so I can cut all the fabrics in with different interface of the parts. I'm not supposed to put them here because there's no much space. So those are some of the fabrics I'll be using. I've choose, and this one the first one I'll be using for this particular one there, which is this particular new design bag we are making. So these are some of the fabrics I'll be choosing for to work on with those bags, this one and this ones that are open here. And I have few inside that place too. So I'll just keep you guys updated whichever way it goes so that you learn more from this. You might not get much time lapse, but I will try my best to keep you guys up to date. Thank you for being here, and let's continue with the rest of the work. Good morning, guys. Welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. So a few days ago, this is what I was able to do for our sassy bag. I've almost finished cutting the fabrics. I'm making 6 of it, and I've cut 4 fabrics. I'm left with 2, and for this one I think I just cut 2. I'm left with 4. Yeah, I just cut 2. I'm left with 4. So this morning now I want to start with the sassy bag, the 2 that is left, the black and any other color I'll be making. So after I finish that, I'll proceed to cutting that one too, the 4 that is remaining. Once I'm done with that, then I move to the drawstring bag, which are the interface. These are the interface. I will finish up that too. Then subsequently within the week we'll start assembling them. But I know it's not possible for me to include everything in this month's catch up, but whichever way it goes, you guys will see something. Definitely you are going to see. So let me continue with my work, and I will see you at the continuation. Thank you for being here. So guys, we are done with the cutting of all the fabrics for this particular bag, Baraha tote bag. I'm done with it. So I'm also done with that. What I will be starting now is this particular one, and I've picked some fabrics I'll be using. I'll be using this 1, 2, 3. I think this one 4, 5, 6. Oh, I need 8. So I'll be picking few to add to it. I might use this too. This one here, and maybe any other one. But you guys will stay tuned to see it. If you are unable to watch everything this month, you'll see the rest of the bag next month's catch up. I'll try my best to just, after I finish cutting this week, I'll try to do few of the bags so that you guys can see and learn something. So that's just the update so far. See you guys at the continuation. Hello guys, welcome to the continuation of the monthly catch up. This is early in the morning. I just want to do this because for the past few weeks now, and few days, I've not been able to do anything but work has been going. Just like I finished cutting all the fabrics for all this bag we'll be making, and even this one, and we've joined them. The one we've been working on is this particular sassy bag. So I finished gumming them, but they still have a lot of work. This is just like, let me say, 40% of the work done. We still have 60% done. So the one I will be doing today is those one, which is the rest of this. But you will not be seeing them in this particular monthly catch up. You will be seeing them next month because it's already time for me to convert the video and upload them, and which will be happening today. And I promise you guys you'll be seeing them. That's why I decided to come show progress so far. But later on, you guys will see it next month. So these are all the accessories we'll be using. It's not all, but the most important one that we have to install before we assemble the bag. The rest is after we assemble the bag, we can still fix them. So as you can see, we have tons of accessories here. They are not even complete, like the lock are not complete. they are not complete, it's just few. We have left few remaining. Those are the piping for the hand, those are the gusset for the sassy bag. So guys, I just want to update you. For those of you who have been here for a very long time, really appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for the support. Thank you for liking. Thank you for the comment. And for those of you who have reached out that want to learn, we really appreciate you guys. Keep coming, keep coming, keep coming. You can check the link at the description for our online bag making. It's there. You can go to the store. You can still chat with me on the WhatsApp and get information on that. But whichever way you want to do it is still the same thing. Share this video with people you know it might be of help to them. Leave in the comment section down below what you think. And guys, I really appreciate you guys, and I will see you in the next one to catch up. Thank you for being here, and stay blessed.